Today we will unbox and set up the new Accolmile Cola Bear mountain e-bike. Open the box. You will see the bike itself and a small box with the charger, pedals, user manual and tools inside. Take the bike out of the box and undo the cable ties. Detach the front wheel from the bike frame and set it aside. You will need a number 15 wrench, a 3 and 5 mm hex wrench and a screwdriver. Remove the plastic cover from the hub. Insert the quick release skewer into the hub and add the nuts as well. Keep it loose for now. Don't forget to remove the plastic insert from the brake caliper. Attach the front wheel to the fork. The brake disc should be aligned with the brake caliper pad. Tighten the axis screw, then fold in the handle. Remove the rubber cover. Loosen the central screw and take the top attachment by removing the 4 screws. Carefully place the handlebar, not twisting the cables, then set up the top attachment back as shown. Secure the handlebar by putting the 4 screws back in place diagonally. Remind to keep the front wheel and the handlebar aligned. Tighten the central screw firmly and then tighten the stem side screws. Place the left pedal. Make sure to have the one marked with the letter L on it. Screw it counterclockwise onto the crank by hand. Then tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. The right pedal has a letter R on it and it's screwed on clockwise. And again, tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. Attach the rear mudguard to the seat tube. Fold the saddle fastener to tighten. Secure the mudguard in place and secure it with the included screwdriver. Adjust the height of the saddle for your comfort. Install the front light facing up. Insert the screw to fix it. Use the 5 mm hex to secure the headlight in place. Unpack the LCD display. It comes with a set of rubber spaces, but this time you don't need them. Carefully insert the small nut into the display arm. You have to be a little patient here. Make sure to place the display in the right position. Insert and tighten the screws to secure the display. Now place the control pad and tighten the screw to secure it. Connect the display cable. Match the colors and align the marked arrow as shown. Turn the display on by pressing the on button. Press and hold the plus button to switch the lights on and off. Don't forget the stem rubber cap. That is all for today. Enjoy the new Accolmile Cola Bear.